This is a weekly breaking Forex news update from Horse Forex. For more information, visit our website at www.horsegroup.net. Russell 2000 U.S. stocks may rise despite dismal Q2 GDP data. A slight risk-off bias was seen in Asia-Pacific trade as the U.S. dollar pegged back lost ground against its major counterparts. The ASX 200 slid lower as Victoria, Australia's second most populous state, recorded a further 732 cases of COVID-19. Gold and silver pulled back alongside copper prices, whilst yields on U.S. 10-year Treasuries dipped back below 0.50%. Looking ahead, U.S. second quarter GDP highlights the economic docket alongside second quarter corporate earnings from Apple, Amazon, and Alphabet. USD CAD rates to watch with US GDP report on tap. USD CAD remains on the cusp of testing the June low 1.3315 following the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. As the central bank sticks to the same script and retains a dovish forward guidance for monetary policy. It seems as though the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, will continue to utilize its landing facilities along with its asset purchases to combat the economic shock from COVID-19 as Chairman Jerome Powell and company vow to increase our holdings of Treasury and agency mortgage-backed securities at least at the current pace. Looking ahead, the update to the US GDP report may force the FOMC to retain the current policy throughout the remainder of the year as the economy faces the biggest contraction since the data series began in 1947, with the growth rate projected to tumble a record 34.1% in the second quarter, following the 5.0% decline in the first 3 months of 2020. EUR USD, AUD USD, GBP USD analysis. US dollar at a turning point? EUR USD has climbed along a steep upward sloping support channel since early May, and in early July, the pair rose at an even more ambitious incline. However, recent price action ahead of a key technical level suggests EUR USD may pull back. The pair's apparent reluctance to break the March 2019 swing high at 1.815 could signal the start of a retreat. This may lead to retesting the integrity of the uptrend. AUD USD is showing signs of hesitation at the bottom lip of a key resistance range between 0.7181 and 0.7206. The pair also stalled around these levels in both April and May of 2019. Failure to clear these barriers with follow-through could inspire bears to come out of their caves and further pressure AUD USD. British Pound GBP latest. GBP USD struggling to break above 1.30. GBP USD looks to be consolidating its recent gains near term after poking its head above 1.30 round number resistance in U.S. trading Wednesday, when the Federal Reserve left U.S. interest rates unchanged. As expected, but accompanied the announcement with a broadly bearish statement, saying it will use its full range of tools if needed to boost a U.S. economy hit by the coronavirus pandemic. Almost immediately, GBP USD dropped back, but the 1.32 high touched on March 9th still seems a reasonable target if 1.30 can be breached conclusively. This session's big release will be the U.S. second quarter GDP data, with the advanced number expected to show a drop of more than 34% quarter quarter annualized. Further ahead, the next important date in the UK will be August 6th, when the Bank of England will announce its decision on monetary policy. Like the Fed, it is expected to leave all its settings unchanged.